Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome again another video in our new episode that based. Sorry. Please take me some time for delete this. Okay, okay, and I hope that it will be work done. Yes, and finally it will work. Okay. So, our new episode based on technology, and that would be WhatsApp update, new update on WhatsApp. So, we will discussion about it. First time, we have to translate this page, translate to English. Okay. This time we'll get the opportunity to edit the message sent on WhatsApp. Okay, get the opportunity. Okay, and how? Okay, done. We are accepted. Uh, Whether in the office or at home, everyone is now on WhatsApp in their workspace. Everyone heals and necessary things in the chat. Did you know that you can edit a message even after sending in WhatsApp? Surely you are wondering what is the matter. WhatsApp is constantly experimenting with adding new feature to the app, keeping users in mind. This time a big change is going to come in WhatsApp after the reaction option in the message. Now you will get the edit option currently after sending a message to someone in WhatsApp. So there is some time to delete it, but if the time is limit exceeded, then there is nothing left to do, but then there is no need to delete. Just like the comment made on Facebook can be easily edited, you can also edit the message and send WhatsApp. So according the agency, the experiment was started about 5 years ago. That's amazing. The matter has already been reported by sharing screenshot, as you can see. So the edit option is flowing on the screen as soon as you select message sent by WhatsApp. You can choose that option or edit the message you will need it. So guys, our session is